Hello students. So today we are going to continue with the previous exercise which we were doing in the previous class, that is exercise 13.2. So now we will start with question number 4. The question number 4 says the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. So you have to find the area of the playground in meter square. Okay. So you know what is roller, right? It is somewhat like this. So the length is given as 120 centimeter and the diameter of the base means this one is given as how much? 84 centimeter. Okay, but we have to find the area in meter. Okay, so what we will do is diameter of base equals to 84 centimeters. So first let us find the radius because we need radius, right? So radius means half of the diameter. So you have to divide by 2, so you will get 42 centimeters. Okay. Now, since we need the area in meter square, what we will do is we will convert this radius into meter. Okay. So how will you convert? So to convert it into meter, you have to divide it by 100, right? So we will get 0.42 meter. Okay. Next, what is given? So the length of the roller is given as 120 centimeter, but length in this case means suppose if you consider this as a cylinder, we can call this as a height, right? So height is how much? 120 centimeter. So this height also we are going to convert it into meter. So 120 by 100 meter. So this 0 and 0 will be cancelled. So 12 by 10 means 1.2 meter. Okay. So we got the radius of the base and the height of the cylinder. So next, when the roller turns completes one revolution. Okay. Okay. First, let us understand this by a simple example. Suppose this is a circular wheel. Okay. Circular wheel. Now, in one complete rotation, when this wheel rotates one time, so what will be the length that it will cover? So, it will be the distance covered by this wheel in one rotation will be equal to the circumference of the circle or circumference of this wheel, right? Similarly, in this case also, if this roller completes one revolution, okay, like it is starting from this point. So now when it rolls and come back to similar position, then it will be one revolution. So in one revolution, how much area will it cover? It will cover the curve area, means curve surface area, right? So you have to find area covered in one revolution. So in one revolution, what will be the area covered? It will be equal to the curve surface area of roller, right? So curve surface area is given by 2 pi RH, isn't it? According to the formula, so 2 pi is 22 by 7. Radius is how much? We got it as 0.42 into height is how much? 1.2. Okay. So now what we can do is we can now remove this decimal. Okay. So I can make it as 42 by 100 into 12 by 8. Right. So I can cancel this 7 1 is 7, 7 6 is 14. Okay. So how much will I get? This 2 into 22 is 44 into 6 12 is 72. That will come in meter square. Okay. So you have to multiply 44 into 72. So how much will you get? 4 2 is 8, 4 7 is 28. So again 4 2 is 8, 4 7 is 28. So now if I add, I will get 3168 meter square. Okay, divided by, we have how much? 100 into 10 also in the denominator, that is 1000, right? So this means how much? 3168 by 1000 means, so three zeros. Okay, so 3 zeros means I have to put decimal in front of 3 digits. So it will be 3.168 meter square. So this much of area is covered by that roller in one revolution. But according to the question, it takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. So to level the playground once, it needs how many revolutions? 500 revolutions. And in one revolution, this much of area will be covered. So in 500 revolutions, how much area will be covered? So that will be the area of the ground, right? So area of playground will be equals to area covered by a roller in how many revolutions? 500 revolutions. So which will be equal to, now in one revolution 3.168 meter square of area is covered. Then in 500 revolution, how much area will be covered? 3168 into 500 meter square. Okay, so you can multiply this two. So this 0 will be gone, then 360. I can take 2 digits in front of decimal, isn't it? So this will be how much? If you multiply 316.8 into 5, 5 is 40, 4, 5 6 is 30, 34, 3, 5 1 is 5, 8, 5 6 3 is 15. So you will get 1584 meter square. So this will be the area of a ground, because to cover the ground once, the roller needs 500 revolutions. So in one revolution, this much of area is covered by the roller. So whatever is the area covered by the roller in 500 revolutions will be the area of the playground. So 1584 meter square is the area of the playground. Okay. Now we'll do question number 5. So the question number 5 says a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. So there is this kind of pillar. Okay. So the height is given as 3.5 meter and the diameter is given as 50 centimeters. So this one is 50 centimeters. Now you have to find the cost of painting the curved surface area. So we are painting this area, okay, curved surface area at the rate of 12.50 per meter square. So for 1 meter square the cost is 12.5 rupees. Okay. So but here what we have is, we have the diameter in centimeter, but the rate is given in meter. So what we have to do? We have to convert this into meter. Okay. So diameter is given as 50 centimeter. Okay. So radius will be how much? Obviously 25 centimeter, just half of it, right? So I have to convert this into meter by dividing it by 100, right? So 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100. So 1 by 4 meters. So let us keep it like this. Okay. Next, what we have to do is, Now we know the height, right? Height is how much? 3.5 meter. So to find the cost of painting its curved surface areas, first we have to find its curved surface area. So curved surface area is given by 2 pi RH. Okay. So it will be 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius is how much? 1 by 4 into height is 3.5 and it will come in meter square. Okay. So this will be how much? 2 on the 2. 2 to the 4. Okay. So 2 on the 2. 2 11 the 22. So what we have to do is now next what I will do is, so this will be 11 into 11 by 7 into, so this is 1. So 35 by 10. I will remove that decimal and write it as 35 by 10. Okay. So this will be 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35. Then you will get 11 5 is 55 by 10. So this will be 5.5 meter square. Okay. So this is the cost surface area of a pillar. So you have to find the cost for painting it at the rate of 12.5 per meter square. Okay. So cost of painting 1 meter square is how much? 12 rupees, 12.5. Okay. So cost of painting how much? This 5.5 meter square equals how much? This into 5.5, right? So rupees 12.5 into 5.5. So how much will you get? So if you multiply 12.5 into 5.5, then it will be 5 5 is 25, 2, 5 2 is 10, 11, 12, 1, 5 1 is 5, 6. So again, if you do, then you will get this much. So 5, 7, 8, 6. So point will be here, right? So the cost is 68.75 rupees. So we got the total cost. So this will be the cost of painting the given pillar. Now you can do question number 6 and 7 as your homework. Okay. So question number 6 and 7 are your homework.